I'm interior designer Elena Capra with Designing Spaces. Designing truly unique spaces for a variety of diverse clients requires inspiration and a whole lot of concentration. Where better to start my design process than the fabulous BMC Design Center in Dallas, Texas. BMC is one of the nation's leading suppliers of building products and my personal go-to for all my design needs. Let's go. Hey, Paul.
Hey, Elena, how are you?
I'm great. Good to see you.
Good to see you.
Tell us a little bit more about BMC.
Well, you know, BMC is a very diversified company. From our lumber to our ready frame to our millwork and to our windows. Today, we're in our beautiful design center in Dallas, Texas. We have put this design center together for people like yourself, designers and architects alike, that are looking for inspiration to turn their customers' dreams into realities. Instead of me rambling on, let's go see it.
Sounds great.
All right. So Elena, we're now deep into the design center, and I wanted to show you these beautiful features that we have here. We have custom base, custom three-piece crown mold, and these cabinets. Aren't they spectacular?
I love it. I love a lot of the details. I'm also noticing the inset door. Very popular look. Mix of the walnut with the painted finish in the gray. So on trend right now, but also yet so classic.
You know, when our designers came up with that idea, I looked at them like they were crazy.
This is a perfect inspiration kitchen.
Say, Elena, I want to show you this beautiful kitchen. What do you think?
I love it, and it also has a lot of the actually three tones of different types of wood and finishes. What I love about that is that it's a statement. The magic of design, it looks phenomenal.
Let's go over to my custom shop over in Coppell. But safety first. So
all right,
put that vest on and let's head inside.
Excited to check it out.
Show you this. I'm very proud of this. This is sapele mahogany.
Familiar with
sapele mahogany out of Africa. We cut this from a sustainable forest there. It's kind of amazing how that works. When they say sustainable, for every tree they cut down, they plant 3. So I want to show you what this from rough lumber looks like when we mill it down. So come on, we'll look at those doors. What we're building today are interior doors. This machine squares it up and nails the header in. Come over here, I want to show you the really part. So this is the 990FX. A robotic arm will pick the door up, set it on the conveyor, and then it goes down. It's routing for the hinge, that's drilling the pre-drill, and then this is putting the hinges on. These machines can build a door unit every 1.5 minutes.
Wow. This house looks so pretty.
I tell you what, this is what I was telling you about. This thing is spectacular.
The brickwork alone is gorgeous.
Grand Homes has done a fantastic job here, I can tell you, that's for sure.
Wow.
Hey, Elena, isn't this a beautiful home?
Great house.
Now I want you to see the finished product that we've been talking about.
Paul, this place looks incredible. So many details, so many places for me to look. I don't even know where to start.
I wanted you to see the rest of the house. Look at this beautiful kitchen.
The kitchen is stunning. The styling of it is perfect for this sort of contemporary with a little classic twist. Now, I'm noticing there's a lot of beautiful details on these cabinets, specifically the legs. To see it set up like this in a kitchen, it's such a beautiful way. It's like a freestanding piece of furniture.
I really do like it.
Oh, it looks amazing, but can I just stop you really quickly?
Oh, sure,
the wainscoting. Typically, I'm so used to seeing more traditional wainscoting with the chair rail, and it's a little heavier, but this is such a great modern
Well, you know, BMC is known for spectacular moldings. Designers like yourself have taken a wainscoting idea and turned it into more contemporary look. Let me show you something over here. So this is more of a traditional style header and pilaster, but look at what we've done with the header and pilaster. We've made it contemporary. Let me go over and I'm going to show you this as well. So look at this room.
I love the beams. This is a little bit of a thinner type of beam, and the way they brought it down the wall, stunning. All of the details, Paul, are just so beautiful. Tons of design inspiration, so it really just got me in a great design mode, seeing all of this.
Fantastic.
Overall, I am so impressed with everything I've seen from BMC today. There's so many customizable options to really suit my clients' design needs. Thank you, BMC. I'm so excited to start designing my clients' dream homes.